Choi Bo-min, professionally known by the mononym Bomin, is a South Korean singer, actor and host. He was born on August 24, 2000 in Giheung-gu, Yongin-si, South Korea. On July 8, 2021, Bomin has been cast in drama Shadow Beauty. He could become one of the prominent actors in the near future. In February 2021, Bomin was named an official brand model for cosmetics label Etude. In September 2020, Bomin played the role of Seo Ji-ho in the JTBC fantasy drama Aidin Again. In October 2020, Bomin starred in a CF or commercial film for the LG Wing. He has received critical acclaim for his acting skills and comedic portrayals of characters and has experienced a rise in popularity as an entertainer due to his charming personality and on-screen presence. In 2020, he appeared in 2020. The same year he also played Crush in Significant Reunion. Pre-debut in May 2017, Bomin appeared in the MV for Lovely's single Now We. He eventually went on to become one of the most promising actors of the present generation. Bomin has been hosting the music program Music Bank with actress Shin Ye-woon since July 2019. Bomin was cast in the romantic comedy drama Melting Me Softly. He worked hard to earn respectable fame and name. Bomin made his acting debut in the second season of A Teen, playing the role of Ryu-ju-ha. In May, Bomin joined the cast for SBS's reality show Law of the Jungle in Chatham Islands. In June 2019, Bomin was named the official brand model for cosmetics company Lily Beard. In 2019, he starred in Crush, Insignificant Roommates. Bomin officially debuted with Golden Child on August 28, 2017 with their first EP Golcha, with a total of 6 tracks including the title track Damn Daddy. Their debut showcase was held at the Blue Square Eye Market Hall on the same day as the album's release. He is quickly becoming a very recognized face on television, and it has everything to do with how good he is at his job. In 2017, he starred in 20th Century Boy and Girl. In 2018, he worked in movie Miracle.